know the facts of life, monkey?
Now, magic's the only thing I know. And I can't think. I can't concentrate.
Where shall I begin? Listening? Monkey, I'm not saying this twice, so pay attention to me, eh? A boy and a girl. But I'll start at the beginning. Ever wondered about it? You did, eh? The birds and the bees, they both got parts. You understand? You will in a minute. It's all quite easy, really. Well, let's assume the lady bee meets a nice gentleman bird. Now, what does he do?
He eats it.
The bird eats it. Marriage is serious. Did you hear? Marriage, I said. Marriage between a monkey and a woman.